Hello guys, my name is Osudan Story Commission in Jabakowade. We just like to make on me. So for those people who are blaming Atiku Abubakar, say that Atiku Abubakar defeated to APC just to help them make Jonathan to lose in 2015 so that Buhari will be the president because they feel like Jonathan refused to step down. They told Jonathan at the beginning that he should step down, let another person I don't know, there are Sambo another person take over the presidency. So let him step down so that PDP will continue the leadership. And because they feel like he's not or he wasn't capable of ruling again because the people who were talking about Chibok gas and the other economic crisis in Nigeria feel like Jonathan was corrupt. And they feel like Buhari is the man because they say Buhari is a man of fashion and is a man of thought. That kind of person is the person that Nigerians need to be in the presidency so that he has to change some narrative and also make the country great again. So making Nigeria great again. Okay. So they bring about the Muhammadu Buhari and when they see that the Muhammadu Buhari wasn't doing what they expect him to do. So they started talking about Buhari not being capable, that people put trust in Buhari, but actually the man did not deliver what the people expect him to deliver. So when he reached 2023, Tinubu comes on board, and some people say that Tinubu was the one that supported Buhari to be in the presidency. Now you are condemning what he brings to us. So you brought about Buhari leadership, and now you are talking about the leadership wasn't capacitated to understand the rule the country in normalcy. And now he said that. So if you are blaming Atiku, that Atiku Abubakar supposed not to be understand jumping around. Now he say about collision in ADC. He is a PDP man and they wanted to defeat. But when you feel like a PDP, don't give him what you expect. So now he try to defeat another party. Same thing that he does when they brought about APC leadership. Now, if the coalition should be done, they should not continue the way that they did it in the APC when they bring about APC to rule the country. But now, he's now talking like the saint. He was one of those people who brings about the APC government, making them to make Nigerians cry now. But now he's trying to tell the people that he's good, try to claim like saint when he was the actual person that preach us about Jonathan supposed to leave the seat. Now you are talking about the APC that you people have to bring in leadership isn't working fine. So fine. Anybody that is blaming Atiku Abubakar, the person is at right because Atiku Abubakar is the man that support the leadership of Muhammadu Buhari. And after Buhari start failing us, so he tried to go back to PDP. And when he has Fantasity with the Wike, I always like Wike in one place. Wike is in PDP now, but people feel like he's supporting APC, but I cannot blame the man. When all of them leave PDP to join APC to make sure they remove Jonathan in 2015, Wike was there with the Jonathan. Wike was the man that tried to tell them it's not about jumping and leaving, that these people you are going to bring will be worse, and it came to pass. And it came to pass. Now, if you are talking about Wike not being a good person because Wike supports Tinubu. Wike said that I'm not supporting APC, I'm a PDP man. So and nobody will remove him from PDP. I'm not ready to defect. If I wanted to defect, I would have defected. But actually, I want to be in PDP because I cherish PDP and I know that if we have the right people that we're supposed to have in PDP, and if they are hearing advice from the people who are supposed to advise them or who are advising them, so the PDP will work strong again, but actually we don't have such people again. Many of them have departed enter APC or retired from politics. So now, if Wike say that I'm not supporting AP, I'm supporting Tinubu because I feel like Tinubu will do fine. But if you say he cannot do fine, you are right. If you say we do fine, you are right. So he tried to convince. I know that he's using them now to joke because of this. The time that they want to remove Jonathan, all of them leave and the Wike stay strong with Jonathan in PDP. So anything that he's doing now, you people should allow him to do. You people are the first people that started. So now you are talking about Wike in a rude way. So that we started looking at Wike as a bad person. One thing, Wiki can say something that will trigger my action to be annoyed towards his personality, but I still love him in this. So Wiki was the one that stayed strong when you people fly away, Peter, fly away. But now you people comes back to actually blame what you brings to the Nigerians. So chill. You cannot eat your orange and still have it. You cannot take your apple and still have it. So that tea that you drink, now you are trying to vomit it, and it has lasted for it will be very hard. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Osidon Market Tip, and follow me on X, Twitter, and on Instagram. I should say Osidon Official, and Osidon on Facebook, Osidon Entertainment on Facebook, Osidon Links on Facebook. So, Osidon Stores on Facebook as well. Kantorap Makowa Diego, just like Chukeme Kodmego, Abaz Ki Akama, always see. Oh no, no, let me be